Are y'all ready for a bite check? But I have cold death row bars that have been cut. They're like 8.6 I think. I don't know. I don't even care. They're like smaller than my perfect Tims. Have ODI grips that are comfy and they grip good. Have a Sunday top load freed sim top figure with an Odyssey headset that's beat all to death. Oh, there. I'm doing this off my iPhone, so it's probably not this fucking good. Stock Fit Forks that came off like a Fit Aiken or something stupid. I don't even think they come off Fit Aiken. They're bulky. I broke my Fit shots. I got Watt Primo Spoke, Simple Hub, Animal Air Scram with a Fit FF and tan wall, and a Shadow Ball 1K. Yeah, I have the building hub guard too. So I guess that's Simple Hub guard. I have a Fit S3.5 frame. I don't know if you can see the Fit sign. Yeah, it says like Fit right here. A Fiend Fat Seat with a Colt seat post, pivotal. Cold OS cranks, they were black, then I painted them pink. A band bud cell sprocket, it's pot leaf. Obviously Bluebird chain with a Cold D-Heart tire and tan wall. Because we didn't have no tan walls for FAFs at the box shop when I went. Watt Primo Spokes, Animal S rim with an Animal Javelin hub left hand drive with the same peg in the back. And hold on. I don't know how to do this. Looks like my host sound. It's loud, I guess. Fuck skateboards. They're fucking gay.